Ah, nice to see you. I have to put these ground into the Vita Circumat 6000 ms sintering furnace. Okay. Ready. Okay. Now let's have a break for the next 80 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Come and join me. A relaxed walk at the Rhine. Lunch with the colleagues. Car washing in the sun. And in the same time you can sinter a 9-unit bridge with the high-speed program of the Vita Circumat 6000 ms. Okay, fine. But there's much more about the 6000 ms. With the Vita energy efficiency, he consumes up to 70% less power. And that's certified by the TÜV Austria. It's easy to handle with a one-touch display, and its quality is certified by the TÜV Rheinland. A perfect setup.
Vita is life, 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 life.